Let today we will see that current loop as magnetic dipole. That means any current carrying circular loop behaves as a magnetic dipole. Let a circular wire carrying current clockwise such a situation, the direction of magnetic field of lower face acts as north pole and upper face acts as south pole. It means if a circular coil carrying a current in the direction of clockwise, then lower face act as a north pole of this loop and upper face act as a south pole. Thus we can say a current loop behaves like a magnetic dipole. We know that torque acting on a current carrying loop placed in a magnetic field B is tau equal to I AB sin theta, where I is current in loop, A is area of loop, and theta is angle between B and normal to plane of the loop. Product of IA is called magnetic dipole moment of current loop, that is M equal to IA. If loop has n turns, then M equal to n IA. Its SI unit is ampere meter square. Now we see the another topic, magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron. That is, atom is also behaves like a magnetic dipole. We know electron revolve around the nucleus in circular orbit in anti-clockwise direction. The movement of electron equal to the flow of current in orbit in clockwise direction. Thus, orbit of electrons is considered as tiny current loop. When electron loops or when electron revolves anti-clockwise, the angular momentum L acts along the normal to the plane of orbit in upward direction. Since angular momentum equal to capital L equal to mvr. Here m is the mass, v is the velocity, r is the radius of the path. This implies that Vr equal to L by m. Orbital motion of electron is equivalent to flow of conventional current. That is I equal to E by T, capital T. Here E equal to charge on an electron, capital T equal to period of orbital motion. But all of you know that T equal to 2 pi r by v. Therefore, I equal to EV by 2 pi r. We are putting the value of capital T 2 pi r by v in equation I equal to E by 2. We got I equal to EV by 2 pi r. Orbital magnetic moment of current loop mu I equal to I by A equal to EV by 2 pi r into pi r square. Here pi r square is the area. That is A equal to pi r square. Or mu I equal to EV r by 2. Or mu I equal to E by 2m into L, angular momentum. Let this equation be 1 since L equal to mvr. Or we can write mu I equal to E by 2m into L. In this equation, we can put the minus sign, that is mu I equal to minus E by 2m into L. So this minus sign tells direction of orbital magnetic moment and angular momentum. Both are in opposite direction. If charge is positive, then direction of mu I and L is same. Using equation 1, we can write mu I by L equal to E by 2m E. Here E is in subscript. Me is the mass of the electron and E is the charge on electron. The value of E and Me is the always constant. All of you put the value of those terms. We got mu I by L equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 by 2 into 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31. Solving it, we got mu I by L equal to 8.8 into 10 to the power 10 coulomb per kg. This constant, that is mu I by mu L, is known as gyromagnetic constant. It is also experimentally verified. That means if the question will be asked, what is gyromagnetic constant? You can say the ratio of orbital magnetic moment of current loop and the angular momentum is called gyromagnetic constant, and its numeric value is 8.8 into 10 to the power 10 coulomb per kg. It's all for